A sliding window is a technique that is commonly used in computer programming, especially when dealing with arrays or strings. It is an algorithmic approach to efficiently solve problems that require finding a substring, subarray, or a subsequence. LeetCode problem number 3 can easily be solved by using this technique. This problem requires you to find the longest substring without repeating characters. The moment it says without repeating characters, you know which data structure to use. We are going to use hashtag. Start with two pointers, L and R. Initially, both pointers will be pointing at the start of the string. To return the result, we are going to add another variable called max substring. Iterate through strings using R pointer. So move the R pointer one character at a time and keep track of characters seen so far by adding them in hash set. If character at R is not in the hash set, then only add it to the hash set and update the maximum length seen so far. If character at R is already in the hash set, then it is time to slide the window from the left. So increase the left pointer by 1 and start removing characters from hash table until all the duplicate characters are removed. At the end, return the result. There you have it. Slide the window to optimize time complexity. Thank you.